There you go, spend a day with me and watch how my sink all of a sudden leaks tons of water. Why, I don't know, no clue. I am honestly gonna keep it like that until my husband comes home, because I don't know what to do. I'm not a plumber, so forget that. I have no clue how my sink broke. Well, I don't think it's broken, but I have no idea why it's leaking so much water. But it'll be here when my husband gets here, so he'll take care of that. Some coffee. You know what? Let me fix this angle. This is terrible. Yeah. So I'm taking my camera with me today. I just want to, you know, take you guys along, spend the day with me. I am not going to leave for another 30, 40, 50-ish minutes or so. I still have some little stuff to do around this house, but I'm waiting for my hair to dry so I can plop it right back up into a bun, because I cannot stand when, like, I don't know, I don't like my curls out. I'm also going to show you guys the making of my cheerleaders' costumes. They are completely going DIY this year. They're gonna be bloody as heck. We have like the latex, and I have to get tissue paper, and they're just gonna make wounds, I guess. My youngest is going for, I don't know, an e-girl that got into a fight. And the other one was gonna go as Juliet with wings. She hates her dress. According to her, she looks like an oversized tampon. Whatever that means. It's Halloween, whatever. You guys will see it later. So, come along with me. Oh, you know what? I also have to go to the craft store to get some more feathers. I kind of DIY'd my kids' wings. Let me show you. These are my DIY wings right here. I found these little fairy wings at a dollar store for 80 cents. I ordered the feathers for like $7 off of Amazon and stuck them all over the wings. But I kind of ran out of feathers, obviously, so I have to also go to the craft store to get some more feathers. These curls need to dry faster. Like, I need to go. What time is it? It's like 12:10. These curls need to hurry up and dry. I just fluffed the mess out of my hair. Oh my gosh, my music is so loud. Hold on. What I was saying was, I fluffed the mess out of my hair, like that, like really. I fluffed the mess out of my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so weird. Anywho, I changed my shirt. I just don't like white t-shirts so much. Oh my gosh. I'm running late. Like, I need to freaking leave. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm gonna get some deep conditioner today. I'm finally ready to go. I did my hair. I put it up in a ponytail. I did put some makeup on because, you know, like, it is hot outside, and I am wearing my fat, thick cardigan. I am just so over this heat. I want to be crisp and cool and be able to wear thick sweaters and cardigans. That's all I want. So I'm just bringing my backup jacket just in case it gets too hot. I just got into the car and I'm already so sweaty. As you can tell, I changed out of my cardigan. I was all blah, 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 I'm gonna wear it. I stepped out, I turned around. I don't even have it in the car as a backup. I am not wearing a cardigan. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I just realized that I do not have any candy in the house for trick-or-treaters. I am so glad I just thought about that. I'm so happy about that, because I really would have had some serious hiding to do in the house. Like, I'm not opening the door. I ain't got no candy. I'm not gonna be one of those people that open the door and be like, sorry, we have no candy. Now that's cruel on Halloween. I usually, by the way, always have candy, and I'm always prepared, but this year, nope. Anyways, I'm leaving. Bye. So I'm back home. Got my overpriced bag of candy, fake blood, fluff, and concealers. I have to show you guys my strange obsession, and that is saltine crackers, but only the name brand kind, with vegan butter. It's the best. It's so good. I could eat like sleeves of this stuff. I'm finishing my daughter's little angel wings. I still have to do this side, but let me show you. That side is already done. Let's see. I could put another one here. There you go. Oh, stop. I'm not talking. Let me see. That is so nice. Can I take a picture of you guys right here? Right here, my hand. Camera's right here somewhere. You guys look so cute. All right, let's go.
We're all like eye by.
Where's the phone? Huh? Well, run upstairs and get one. Where's my purse? Bye. I want pictures though. I want a group picture. Can I take a group picture real quick? Where my truck keys at? Go. I need to take your group picture real quick and then I get it. Okay. There you go. I'm totally recording and taking pictures. Okay. Have fun, y'all. Here, let me take a picture of you real quick. I have to. Sorry about that. Thank you. You look nice. I like your costume. Like that's the aftermath. Right there. I just cleaned up the aftermath. I cleaned it up downstairs because most of the girls got ready downstairs, but I didn't film that because, I don't know, it felt weird filming other people's teens. And later when I wanted to film my kids, they were kind of like, eh. So yeah, gotta respect that. So I just wanted to show you my beautiful sink. And downstairs, my kitchen table, not the dining room table, the kitchen table looked almost like identical. But that's fine, the girls are having fun. I am leaving now to go pick them up. It is 9:31. I know. Let's go. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I just came back home from, where did I leave off at? Where did I leave off at? I know I came home after I dropped the kids off at their designated Halloween trick-or-treating places. Then I came home and I hung out here for a while with my husband and cleaned all that Halloween mess. And then I went and picked up the kids. And then I had to drive some friends home, and now we're back. I have to still take a shower and wash my face. On the other hand, I did manage to eat some more saltine crackers and vegan butter. I'm like, I'm not even gonna lie. I already had 2 sleeves of saltine crackers. Keeping it real. And this is the 3rd one oops. I dropped the camera. This is the 3rd one, but I'm done. Ugh. Good night, and thanks for watching, and happy Halloween. Oh man, I just realized I never put the costume on my dog. Darn it.